the concentration unit that we're ready to look at right now is molarity. You probably already did the POGL exercise on molarity. You may have had a good exposure to this in pre-AP chemistry, and if that's the case, you can probably skip along through this. But if not, it's a real important concept, the concept of molarity and the unit, the molarity unit or the molar unit. So if you don't already have it nailed, then you should probably take your time here. Okay, so molarity again is defined as moles of solute per liter of solution. Sometimes we say, we're talking about the molarity of a solution, or when we're defining a solution, we might say we have a 1 molar solution. The common abbreviation is capital M, and the unit itself is moles per liter. So these are all different ways that the same thing is expressed when talking about molarity as a concentration unit for solutions. So, for example here, calculate the molarity of 2 liters of a saline solution containing 4 moles of NaCl. So we have the volume here is 2 liters of solution, and the solute concentration is 4 moles. And so in this case, you just use the definition that it's moles of solute divided by liters of solution. And in this case, it's 4 moles of the solute sodium chloride divided by 2 liters of solution. And the concentration then is 2 molar. That's how we would express it. And you could write 2 capital M, or you could write 2 moles NaCl per liter, 1 liter of solution. Either of these two expressions means exactly the same thing. Okay, so that's how we would calculate a concentration based on the definition of molarity. And also, this is just a picture of how one would prepare a 1 molar sodium chloride solution. And the deal here is that you add some of the salt and a little bit of water and mix it up, and then you add the rest of the water up to the line. This flask here is called a volumetric flask. It's a special piece of glassware that's used when you need to be real careful about preparing solutions with given concentrations. So there's different size volumetric flasks. This particular one is a 1 liter volumetric flask, but the important point here is that the solute, in this case the sodium chloride, takes up some space, has a volume of its own. So when we're talking about molarity, we're very careful to talk about the moles per liter of solution. So if you're going to have 1 liter of solution, you have to be mindful that some of your solute is going to take up some mass, and you should have looked at this in your POGL exercise.